guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, for today, I will unbox a Huawei Y9 phone. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung box niya. Ayun, may logo ng Huawei dito sa front, sa likod, and sa sides. Then, nakalagay dito, RAM is 4 GB. Ang internal storage is 64 GB. Then, dual SIM siya at may free jelly case cover. Okay, so, mabilisan lang ito kasi may kukuha na. Okay, so, ayan. Open mo. So, before the phone, unahin natin yung accessories. Okay, accessories muna. Okay, so ito yung free niya na transparent jelly case back cover. Then may may SIM ejector pin. Okay, then may warranty card and manual or guide. Okay, so my USB cable, adapter, and my free siya na headset or headphone. Okay, so eto na yung ating Huawei Y9. So, ang color niya is blue sapphire, but it has also other colors like midnight black and aurora purple. Okay, so ang display niya is 6.5 inches ang display. So, try natin siya i-on. Yan, 6.5 inches. Then, sa left side niya, dito nakalagay yung SIM slot. Then, yung sa right side niya, ito yung power, then volume adjustment. Then, dito sa bottom part is yung speaker, 3.5mm port, and USB cable port. So, sa likod, may finger scanner din siya. Sila ni, memorize kami. Gani. Okay, so yung memory niya, expandable hanggang 400 GB. Okay, then battery, in terms sa battery niya, 4,000 milliamperes. Okay, so ito yung display niya. AMOLED na siya. Then, marami siyang apps na naka-install. So, sa camera niya, camera niya sa likod, ang rear camera is 13 megapixels. Then, yung front cam niya is 16. Okay, yung front cam niya is 16 megapixels. Then, sa camera niya, may settings siya. Pwede siya may aperture, night, portrait, photo, pwede rin video. Tapos, pag i-click mo yung more, marami pa siyang options like panorama, pro, filter, so, HDR, and pwede ka maka-video ng using time lapse. Lahi man gud na lapse akong nabalaan ba. Okay. So unsa pa to, Mark?
Kuan niya mga battery lifespan.
Man na di ba na yun ako 4,000? You're not listening. Okay, so yung regular price niya is 12,990. So, this is released last year, November 2018. So, ito yung Huawei Y9 2019. So, yung processor niya is octa-core 4 by 2.2 GHz. Okay, so ang resolution niya is 1080 times 2340 pixels. Okay, ang weight niya is nasa 173 grams or 6.10 ohms. Then, ang dimensions niya is 162.4 mm by 77.1 by 8.1 millimeter. Okay, so I'll show you some pics na mga kuha ng Huawei Y9. Mark, wala ko kabalo asang gallery. Okay, so sa camera niya may mga settings like may iba't ibang setting filter siya. Then may mga speakers na rin na naka-install. Okay. So like this. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like my